Hello kids! Today we're going to learn how to draw a hot air balloon. So grab your art supplies and start drawing together.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels
Let's
on the
color
bus.
it. Purple color.
Yeah! The wheels on the bus. Yeah!
Green color.
Goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
Red color.
The wheels on the bus.
Orange color. Yellow color.
People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all
Blue color.
down. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the
Thanks
clock.
for watching. Subscribe to watch more art videos.